Wanted to just respond to a couple of questions that came in last night about our upcoming symposium. We are focusing on making service a lifestyle. So the idea behind the symposium that is going to be this Saturday from 9 a.m. till noon at the USC Dental School is that we really want to bring healthcare professionals, so physicians, dentists, occupational therapists, psychologists, nursing, any multidisciplinary group that's interested in not only maintaining a clinical practice, but also feeling like you have active roots in the community, that you're participating in a positive way, usually as a volunteer. But basically, how you can fold in this impetus for service into what is already a probably quite busy lifestyle. So that's what the symposium is focused on. And we really want to make sure that everyone has a good sense of what to expect when they arrive. We know that it did coincide with the National Day of Protest. It is the day after the inauguration. So there are quite a few marches planned all over the country, and especially here in Los Angeles, as we are well known for our protests. So we wanted to make sure that the symposium stood as an alternative for people who wanted to, regardless of their politics, seek out some active, positive way that they could interact. And so that's really what we're trying to do. We have a wonderful guest speaker, Dr. Linda Sharp, who's going to speak very much about how do you maintain a clinical practice and then still make sure that you're giving back in a way that isn't draining, and it supports a healthy, balanced lifestyle. We have the Los Angeles Albert Schweitzer Fellows for 2016-2017. So they will all be on hand talking about their projects in a very brief elevator speech, but giving everyone a sense of what they're doing and where they are, what part of the city, and also what target population. So after the speakers are done, if you'd like to seek out that individual person, they'll be available for that. Additionally, we have some tabling downstairs. So after the formal speaking is done, you can go down and meet personally with some of these organizations that can answer questions and be very realistic with you about what the time commitment is. We are providing breakfast and lunch. So there's plenty of time to just kind of calmly wander through and see what strikes your fancy, ask questions about not only service, but perhaps the fellowship. So if you are a professional student and you're looking for a one-year fellowship that is not only about service, but very much about developing intricate networks of people who support the same sort of vision that you have, then you should consider applying for the Schweitzer Fellowship. So we will be there on hand to answer questions about the application process, which starts in a couple months. And we'll also be there to help direct you to local organizations in your area that really might help you support that need you have to do more than just be in school when you're in school, and remember the communities that are encouraging you to actually move forward and pursue your academic interests. So it's going to be a great opportunity. Again, it is at the USC Dental School, which is the main campus that is downtown that we all know of. And it is 9 a.m. to noon. If you'd like to get there a little early so that we can have a longer extended breakfast, feel free to come at 8:30. There will be some traffic that day because there are lots of protests going on in Los Angeles, so we recommend leaving a little bit early or carpooling when you can. I'm going to continue this live stream in a couple of hours. Hopefully we'll get some questions emailed in, but thank you for your interest. We really appreciate it.